my gosh, bro. It is so freaking packed here. Dude. That is that's crazy. Holy shit, bro. That's how we're starting. Bro, no way. Nick, you can park there too. Look.
Nikon, look.
Oh yeah, there's Nikon.
Rude, bro.
There's Beamer fan.
Damn, brother. The brakes are going crazy. You just get this
Yo.
Thing? Yeah, these brakes are fucked. Toast.
Beamer fam! I got dragged out of the house! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. I need everybody to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys are copping the merch. I appreciate everybody who's been copping the merch. Seriously, I love you guys. Anyways, today we're going to we're at a crazy car meet. This shit's insane, guys. Insane cars, insane builds. It's gonna be ridiculous. Wow, that's crazy. All over the GTS wing. Anyways, with the homie Nick, with the homie Hugo, and look at this, guys. People are racing up and down the street. Bro, Ventura up, bro. What's up, Hugo?
¿Qué pasó, papi?
¿Qué lo que?
¿Estamos activos?
Estamos activos.
There you go.
You already know. Are we active, G? It is way too freaking packed, Nikon.
There's nowhere to park, bro.
There's literally nowhere to park, bro. Like at all.
Are you backing up on the sidewalk?
Maybe.
I'm gonna put you right next to Shell's new M4, same color.
Are you gonna be here for a minute? Yeah. Oh.
Okay. Wait, is that your buddy or?
Yeah.
You want him to? I'm gonna pull him up and I'm gonna back him all the way out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna back him all the way out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Straight VIP.
In the stock D80, bro.
Hell yeah,
You're
bro.
gonna come in and you're gonna back up all the way to
Alright.
Shell's.
To
Like
where?
this?
Yeah, if you want to do it that way, that's fine.
Rich. Hell yeah, baby.
Bro, stop.
Rich.
UG80, Rich.
Oh wait, Nick parked next to his twin, Brooklyn Gray Brothers. What?
Alright, lock it up.
Jeez. Bro, Air's got into. Oh my God, Air's made it in two? No way. What's up, G? Nikon? Aries, my homie made it. It's good, brother. It's fucking lit. It's crazy, huh?
Cone?
Yeah, the McLaren's sick.
Kinda like the cone, bro.
I like the cone too. Oh, look, Fast and the Furious. All right, guys, we're about to enter. I heard there's crazy cars here, bro. What is there? This is sick. How much is it to do that, you think?
This is sick, bro.
How much do you think it is to make a full carbon? Another price of a GTR? That's just sick. Wide body? Bro, look at the exhaust. Center exhaust? Damn, we got the twin turbo Lambo, the homie Marlins. Orange? Damn. Yeah, this is the homie Marlins, actually. It's twin turbo. It's just sick, bro. Look at the interior too. Got the orange stitching in there. With the orange steering wheel. Damn. That's just hard. I heard this car's getting a crazy body kit on this car. Damn. The Eleanor?
This just says.
Yeah, that's just crazy, huh? Alright guys, so yeah, the homie Marlon actually, he's getting this bumper on his Huracan. This is actually from the Lamborghini Huracan Technica. So the last generation of the Huracans, he's gonna get that bumper on his car. And yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, that's just sick. Dude, this shit got so crazy, guys. Oh my god. There's so many cars. Man, look at the wide body. Cybertruck? M6. What the? Yo. That's great. Ventura Boulevard. Or he just doesn't know how to drive. Watch out for the water bottle. He needs to turn the other way. Other way, other way. Bro, it's like a concert over here. Look at this. Damn, this is crazy. My God. Holy crap. To say that.
So you can get one now.
Come and Rapid Orange?
Yes, bro.
Damn, yo, I appreciate that, bro.
Yeah, no
thank you. Look at that. Yo, that means we need to cop a GA2 for real. Either Rapid Orange or in Orange. God, that hurt my sick. Shout out to the homie Dan. Appreciate you, bro. The cops pulled up. You know what that means. Rich.
Like that. Good quality, right?
Rich.
Go purchase them. Go purchase them.
GT3 RS. Woo. It's so crazy. Yeah, look at that shit, guys. That's crazy.
What's the story behind this?
That's the R8, G. Them homie,
This is the R8 test drone.
Where's Nick? Let's find Nick. Find Nick's back. Lime Rock, all over the Lime Rock. Yo. Damn, F90 F5, homie, a treat. What happened, Sebastian? Damn, Rich, the homie Eric. Yo, that hoodie though, Rich. Make sure you guys go cop the merch.
Bunch it, Nick! Bunch it! Later, Nick!
Rich! Damn.
Guys, we left the
Wait till
record.
Yeah, I mean,
You like the meat?
I don't, yeah, it was sick.
No, but I could bring
I'm trying to see. They say
mine.
you're gonna
They got a-
Ooh, that shit fogs up the lens. We got the Cheeto peppers.
How do you like it? Good, huh?
Big homie Beamer fam.
Sick, man.
Shit's clean, dude.
So clean. And full leather interior.
Alright guys, I just want to thank everybody who's been copping the merch. I seriously appreciate you guys. Look at that. We still got rich t-shirts. We got smalls and mediums left. Super excited for you guys to be rocking. If you guys haven't copped the merch yet, yo, you guys are missing out. Link will be in the comment section down below. Go get you some KG merch. Let's go. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, go cop some merch. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.